How to enable Instagram autoplay. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open the Instagram app and then click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list, click on Settings and then click on Account, and here you want to scroll down and search for cellular data use and click on it. And from the Use Less Data section, you want to turn off the data saver toggle off. You might be asking why. As you can see, Instagram here tells you that when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data, which means that if you turn off this data saver, the videos will be loaded in advance, meaning that the videos will be autoplay on their own. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable and turn on autoplay on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.